Meaning of district court.
District court.
District court.
District court.
District court. A district court is a type of court that has jurisdiction over a specific geographic area, usually a county or several counties within a state. District courts typically handle both criminal and civil cases, including small claims and traffic violations. These courts are often the first level of trial courts in the United States federal system, hearing cases that involve federal law or the Constitution. They also play a crucial role in state court systems and provide access to justice for individuals and communities within their designated districts.